Hi friends, today I'm gonna say how to use your trial versions for a longer period. For this, we need a software called RunAsDate. Okay, go to your web browser and type RunAsDate software free download. You will find a web page having many websites providing RunAsDate software. So download from CNET. It is a good website. So download from CNET. See RunAsDate software. See here, this is the option download now. Click on it and download the RunAsDate software. I don't want to download this software again because I have already downloaded this software. Okay, I will directly go to the explanation. See, this is the RunAsDate software which I downloaded it. See, this is the zip format which I have downloaded the RunAsDate software. So right click on it and extract files from it. So you will find 4 files here. So this is the RunAsDate application. Just double click on it. See, this is the RunAsDate software folder, application folder. So while before I explaining the RunAsDate application folder, I want to say something for you. Just listen carefully. See, if you want to run a trial version for a longer period, you should know the date of the trial version which you have installed is very important. It means, see, for example, AVG quick maintenance. This is 2015 trial version which I am using now. Just I am saying, listen carefully. See, I have installed this software before 10 days. See, my trial period is now. This is the 10th date. 10th day is running. See, out of 15 days, 10 days are over to me to say perfectly. See, I want to. So, how to use this RunAsDate software? See, 10 days of trial is completed to me. So, I want to run this TuneUp utilities trial version for a longer period. So, I want to change the date of running, so I can use this software for a longer period. So I want to change the installation date to before to backward of 10 days. It means 1 day out of 15 days. It means I am again using this TuneUp utilities trial version from the initial days of 1. Means, see here, clearly observe my trial period is over for 10 days. Okay, 10 days is completed to me. So I want to make this trial period 1 or 2 days out of 5 days. See, I want to use this software trial version trial period 1 of 1 out of 15 days. I want to make this 10 to 1 or 2. See, clearly observe how I will make this using this RunAsDate software. Okay. Okay. See, go to RunAsDate. Now go to RunAsDate application. Okay. You will find here the browse. So go to browse. See, in the browse, go to desktop. Here you will find many shortcuts of mini application. So this is the shortcut which I want to use it with RunAsDate software. So click on it and open it. So the shortcut is opened in RunAsDate application. So here the main thing is I want to change the date to before of 10 days. Okay, I want to use this trial version from first 2. Okay, now I have completed 10 days now. So my date is 11th month 17th date 2014. I want to change the date now to before of 10 days. So how it is possible means, see here is the date option. Go to here date option and change to exactly 10 days. Don't make it to 11th date, because you have run this software before 10 days, not before of 11 days or 12 days or before anything. See, the date will count from when I have installed this software, okay, not before of anything. See, using run as date, you cannot keep any days, and you can work this trial period for a longer period. It won't work. So installation date is compulsory. So you can change this date of application trial version to any day after installing date, not before of installing date. See, I will show you. See, I can change before 10 days. Okay, now this is 17th. Now today's date is 17th. I want to change the beginning where which I have installed this software at 8th. I think I have installed this software at 8th. Okay, at 8th I think so. So I am clicking 8th date 11th month 2014. I have gone back to 10 days. Okay, I have kept my time 1 AM. See, today's date is 11th month 17th date 2014. I have changed this 10 days before, 11th month 8th date 2014. Okay, so check here immediate mode. Okay, check here immediate mode. Okay, I want to make another shortcut. Okay, this is the previous shortcut when I have installed initially. This is the shortcut name. Now I am going to install it again. Okay, AVG TuneUp Utilities 2015 full trial. Okay, create shortcut. Okay, here we can see a shortcut is appearing here. You can observe here. Okay, you can observe here. I have created this shortcut again today. Okay, now I have created this shortcut again. Okay, click here run. Okay, it's over, and you should close the run as date application. Okay, clearly I think you have clearly understood my points. Go to browse and click whatever the shortcut, whatever the application shortcut you want, and change the date of change the date carefully at what date you want, at what date you want to keep it and use it. Okay, my application is completed 10 days, so I have moved this to 10 days back. Okay, and I created a new shortcut, because by creating new shortcut there is a good thing. It means I will show you. Just okay, I created the shortcut. Okay, then run. Okay, close it. Now go to the new shortcut what you have now created, and right click and double click on run as administrator. Okay, run as administrator. So then as usual click yes. So see here, this is the big change. Okay, see my new shortcut showing this is the first day of my 15 days. Okay, this is my first day out of 15 days. I have moved my trial period to the day of 1. Okay, see, this is the new shortcut here, and see here, this is, wait, I'll show you. Okay. This is the new shortcut here. I am closing. this now my trial period is starting from day 1 in this new shortcut. And this is my old shortcut. See, this is my old shortcut. See, it is showing my trial period is completed 10 days. Okay, what is the advantage is whenever you are creating a new shortcut, you can use the shortcut forever. And the old shortcut, it will be like that, showing your trial period is completing. See, this old shortcut keep showing that your trial period is completing 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like that, so on. After the trial period is over, it will show your trial period is over, but you have nothing to do with this. Okay, the main thing is you should watch carefully is the new shortcut. Okay, this is the new shortcut. Okay, this is the new shortcut. It will show you one day out of 15 days. Okay, your whatever time you open, it will show 1 day is completed, 1 day is completed, 1 day is completed, and it will know, it will don't show further second day, third day or nothing. Okay, don't worry, it will be like that only. It will show 1 day is completed. Okay, you can use this new shortcut forever. This is the main shortcut. But I am saying, don't delete this old shortcut. The new shortcut working is based on this old shortcut, old application shortcut. Okay, the new shortcut application is based on old shortcut application. Okay, don't delete this. Keep it like that only. Use this new shortcut. Okay, this is the way you should run. Run your trial versions for a longer period using run as date software. Okay, this is the way you should work with it. It is a very, very good software. It is a big bonus to many of people, those who wanted to use trial versions. Okay, thank you for seeing my tutorial. Thank you.